Someone sent you a secure file through SureSend? Here's how to retrieve your EDE, your Encrypted Digital Envelope, in just a few clicks. First, check your email inbox. Look for an email from SureSend saying you've received an EDE. You'll see who sent it, a download button, and a note about the passphrase. If the sender hasn't shared the passphrase yet, reach out and get it. You'll need it to download the file. Make sure you remember the download link expires. Once it does, the link won't work and the file is permanently deleted from SureSend. If that happens, contact the sender to have it sent again. Click the download button and you'll land on a secure SureSend page. Enter the passphrase, hit continue, and your file starts downloading right away. Now, where's that file? Most browsers have a download section. Just look for a download icon or press Ctrl-J on Windows or Command-J on Mac to open it. From there, you can usually click Show in Folder or Show in Finder to locate the file on your device. If you're not sure where to look, check your browser's help guide or support page for more details. And that's it. With SureSend, retrieving secure files is fast, simple, and private. Just don't forget that passphrase and beat that expiry clock.